Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll learn how to pass our probes from one function, one component to another component. So first we need to create a folder, and under the source name is component. So we need to create our one component, name is home.js. So using read function component as our function is created. So here's our function is created. So we simply go to our app.js, imported our home function, home. So control press enter, import home function. Already run npm start with our project. So go to our project. So home is here. So we just simply pass the probe. You name your probe's name, child value. You pass anything. You pass a component, you pass a object, you pass a array. So here is just simply pass a test. Go to our home. Here's probes, simple probes. Yes. Create variable const. So the name is of our probes is child value. Child value is here. So pass the probes simply. So simply print the child value. Go to our home, test home. So you just simply change the value. Go to home, you can see subscribe test. So here's the method of to pass the probes to one function to another functions. If you like our video, so please thumbs up and like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.